Perfect. Yeah, and guys, when you do a second step of back replace, think about like the back walks like we did. So remember, we were placing the foot first, hips was neutral, then we were pushing our spine through the front foot, and then only after that we were activating the hip. So make sure you not open your hip right away, because you see, in this case I lost my alignment, so I'm tilted forward. So your goal basically to deliver your head over the foot through neutral hip position. So at first point we using our feet to push our spine, and then only at the end we're using the hip to finish that weight transfer. So when we did our check-in position, from here you see your hips pretty much neutral. Now from there you want to place your back heel down on the floor, hips neutral, then you want to release your front heel to start pushing your spine back, and then only after that you can activate the hip to finish weight transfer. 2 and 3 and. So in order to put it in a simple way, try to focus not really on your hips, see, because if I focus on my hips there is a loss of vertical alignment all the time. So instead focus on this point, back of your head. Deliver it over left foot and deliver it over the right foot. And each time you're going to take your step, try to make sure that your projection of your head moving along with your spine. Not just your hips. 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3. Right foot back, replace to left foot, right foot forward, swivel, left foot side, right foot forward, swivel, left foot side, right foot forward, swivel, left foot side, right foot forward, swivel, side steps, left foot side, right foot close to left foot side, and I believe we had half of the basic after that. Back, replace, and side. So, let's go with the count, and then we're going to pay attention to those two phases. So, left foot back on 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. So